So I'm here at Michael's number 4, and I'm noticing a new to me product. I don't know if this is new for everybody. Isn't that pretty? How thick that is. This is Lion Brand Wool Ease Roving Stripes. The warmth of wool blended with the ease of acrylic. It says 3 balls to make a scarf, 2 to make a hat. 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 58 yards in a ball, or 53 meters. 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Machine wash, gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. Made in Turkey, super bulky 6. 15 millimeter crochet hook, 13 millimeter knitting needles. I'm just gonna go through the colors. These are $5.99 a ball right now at Michael's. We have a bunch of them. So this one's got all like brights. And this is called Taffy. Isn't that pretty? Rainbow Brights. On this one, it's got like pinks, different shades of pinks, and like a couple blues here. This is the color Berry. Then there's this kind of autumnal color with like mustard and off-white, raspberry, teal, like a burnt orange. And this is called Maple. Appropriate name for that. And then this one for you mustard lovers is a bunch of different colors of mustard. There's a darker, a lighter off-white, a taupe, and a darker brown. Kind of darker taupe, I should say. And this is called Daisy. Then this one, oh, it's very peacocky colors. So it's got a teal, a gray, a violet, a darker blue. Oh, it's very pretty. You know how partial I am to purple. Oh, it's called Ocean. It's beautiful. And then, ooh, a lot of these are beautiful. So this one's got like a olive green, gray, like a burnt orange, and an off-white. And this one is called Oak. Then this one has like a cream, a very, very pale aqua, darker aqua, and gray, and a little touch of this yellow. And this one is called Spruce. So a lot of these are tree names. Okay. And we've got this one. Is this the same? No, this is called Flannel. So this has got like a blurple, a more of a light blue color, an off-white, a darker taupe, robin's egg blue, and an aqua, and that darker taupe again. And again, that one's called Flannel. Then, is this the same one? No. These two look very similar. Let me grab it. So the major, I know, those are really similar, except they're complementary for sure, but this purple pink is not in this one. Wow, those are very complementary. I like that. But so this one has like a violet color and then like a lilac, that light robin's egg blue, teal, gray, and that's that light robin's egg blue. And that's the color Geode. Then this one is a bit more neutral. It's got off-white, light gray, dark gray, like a tan, a taupe, and this one is called Birch. Oh, that is super appropriate. That reminds me of a birch tree. Isn't that cool? Then this one is for you brown lovers out there, and it has got all the shades of brown you could ever want. A dark brown, a nutmeg, a cinnamon, a Like a darker taupe and a light taupe, and this is called cedar. And then this one is a lot of different shades of gray. So there's 1, 2, 3 shades of gray and then an off-white. And this one is called hickory. And I think this is the last one. This is a bunch of different shades of blue with a gray and a light gray. 1, 2, 3 shades of blue. And this is called denim. Which ones are my favorite? Let's see. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tough decision. They're all beautiful. I don't know. I kind of really like this one with the different mustards. And then my second favorite would probably be, surprisingly, I really like this birch. Now, I know everybody thought I'd probably pick that one. That's maybe a close third, but I do really like this birch colorway. This brown one's also really nice. What do you guys think? Have you seen this roving woolies before? Let me know. All right, see you later. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Affordably Crafty, where you learn how to stretch your craft dollar. Have an awesome day. Bye. It's National Embroidery Day. Michaels has some clearance here on some really nice floss. Pretty by DMC. Some variegated stuff. Normally it's $3.29, it's now $1.97. Pretty. Then some of this up here is on clearance, normally $1.70, $1.07. It is now, normally $1.79, it's now $1.07 for the, what is this called? DMC something, I don't know. This is the variations. This is the regular. Some of the colors are on sale, on clearance, not all of them. You're gonna look for the tags. I don't know if I see anything else in here on clearance. Let me just take a poke around, let's see. I don't see anything else. Looks like they're getting rid of this line here at Michaels. So if you're an embroiderer or a cross stitcher, come on down and check this stuff out. Happy National Embroidery Day. All right, see you later. Bye. So the whole reason I went to this Michaels store in Massachusetts was to pick up a cross stitch kit for August 15th, which is National Cross Stitch Day. So they had a bunch of their embroidery floss on clearance, and then there was a big huge hole next to it. And I asked an employee, and they said that they discontinued carrying cross-stitch kits at Michaels, and also plastic canvas, which I was looking for another project. So that's a super bummer. Does anybody have a Michaels that still carries cross-stitch kits? Is this like a fading craft? I didn't realize they'd be so difficult to track down. Let me know in the comments down below. Hope you've enjoyed this video and this trip to Michaels. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a creative day, everyone. Bye.